All right, what's up guys? I'm back with another DIY project. Today I'm removing the entire fence from my yard. That's not my yard, it's neighbors. This is my yard. All the fence, all the posts are being taken out. But I'm gonna show you guys how to remove a fence post. It's actually super easy. I'm gonna show you my setup, and you can literally knock it out, each post, in maybe 5 minutes, the entire setup. So this is actually the setup. I have a car jack. My buddy's here helping me. Sorry, he's not in the video. His face isn't. But this is actually my setup. I have a car jack on top of cinder blocks. It's triangled around this post. This pipe wrench, when it starts tilting a little bit because the car jack, it actually bites onto the fence post. Hey, do you mind jacking that up real quick? I'm just gonna show you how easy it is. Like when I tell you it's this easy, it really is this easy. So that's actually the fence post coming up. So you can knock out each fence post in maybe like 5 to 10 minutes tops. So that's at the bottom of the car jack. So at the end of this, he's just gonna release it down. It's hitting Audi. He's just gonna release it down. We're gonna remove the pipe wrench and the car jack, and then literally just pull it out. Do you mind if I have you in the video?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna move the car jack. That's actually my buddy pulling it out. Like I said, it's really just that easy. 5 minutes to remove a fence post. If it takes you longer than that, I don't know what to tell you. All right, and that's all. As always, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe.